So I did a treatment about 2 weeks ago on my hair, and my hair did not like that treatment, and it's just been feeling a bit weird. My hair has just been feeling a bit dry and it's been breaking off quite a lot. So I'm going to be doing scalp massages with the mixture that you see there on the screen. I added castor oil and rosemary oil to the mixture just to make it a little bit more lighter. So I'm just going to be applying the mixture onto my scalp, and then I'm going to be using my finger pads just to distribute the mixture, and I will be massaging my scalp as I go. And the massaging process is just quite simple. It's just moving in circular motions just to increase blood flow onto the scalp. So, word of caution, guys, if you are trying out a new treatment on your hair, just make sure you try it on a smaller section of your hair. You know, don't be too excited like I did, otherwise you may lose your hair, because if you haven't done that treatment before, you never know how your hair is going to react. So do it on a smaller section and see how your hair likes it. So I'm going to be doing these massages about 3 to 4 times a week, and I'm going to keep these twists for about 6 weeks. I may redo them in between, but I'm just going to keep my hair in twists so that it's easier for me to apply my treatment onto the scalp. So I know this treatment is going to help me and it's going to work on my hair, and I know it works because I've used it in the past. So I'm looking forward to my hair growing a lot in 6 weeks. So guys, if you'd like to know how I made the mixture, I'm going to attach the video on the screen. I did a video on how to mix the two products to boost hair growth, and I used two products, which is Sulfur 8 and Jewel Scalp Elixir. So this is a bit of a heavy cream. It contains grease, so you need to make sure you wash your hair on a regular basis. Now, I normally don't use grease on my scalp, but just for the reason of boosting my hair, I am going to be using grease. Thank you all for watching. If you haven't subscribed to Mary Kelly, please make sure you do for more videos like this. We do hair care as well as skin care.